But check out that sunset. Just make sure this lens is clean. But look at that sunset. It's so freaking awesome. It's so cool. Alright, so I'm off trying to get some riding in with my RXP-X 300 before it gets dark or it rains. It was supposed to be a nice day today. It ended up not. There's rain coming. It's been raining on and off, and it's like 60, low, mid 60s, like 64. Probably once I get like right on the coast, it's gonna drop another 4 degrees. That's what happened yesterday riding. But I was like, man, before I left, I was like, I got like less than an hour before it gets dark, and I was like, forget it. I said, you know, I could have been like, hey, forget it. It's not gonna do it. I'm like, man, I'm gonna make a video today. So got everything loaded up, got my wetsuit on, and making away and just stuck in traffic, and hopefully I can get in the water at least like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that before it gets dark. It gets dark at like 5:10. It's 4:22 right now, and I still got, give or take, maybe like 10 minutes, 10, 12 minutes left of driving, but now I'm just stuck in traffic. But yesterday I saw dolphins, just a couple. It wasn't like the interactive video of where they were like jumping and being all around me. They seemed to be doing their thing, and I was doing my thing. But it's pretty cool to see twice in a row. It's good luck seeing dolphins every time. So let's see what we see today. And get in the water. It's probably gonna be me in the rain, and it's cold. But hey, you know what? It's what you gotta do. It's what you gotta do. It's supposed to get cold for the next couple of days, and then warm back up in the mid to high 60s. So that's why I figured, like, what the heck, I'm gonna do it, because the rest of the week it's supposed to get really cold, be like in the like low 50s, and I'm not jet skiing. I said I would, and it's just too cold to be going out there. So let's get it rolling and get it popping. And let's go have some fun. So sit back, relax. Hope everybody's having a good day, because I'm going to have an awesome day. No matter rain or shine, cold or warm, I'm going to make it an excellent day. Let's do it. Oh, dolphins right here. How cool. I did that close. Wow. Let's get out there. wasn't going 80. If you do some stuff to it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure, you know, tomorrow's Black Friday and the holiday season, so you gotta purchase your gifts for your friends, family, whatnot. Make sure you guys go visit bursapfarm.com. Put in code BEOWULF20 on one word. Get 20% off your order. You can't beat that. It's time to start shopping. Stuff's gonna get sold out. So I'd start going on there, figuring out what gifts you need for your friends and family. Also too, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's awesome to be privileged to be living here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, putting together these videos for you guys. And it's just exciting. It's a dream come true. Also too, it's Thanksgiving, so hope everybody had a great time with your family, friends, whatnot, whatever you have. All the different things, so I hope everybody had a good holiday. Make sure if you're traveling, be safe when you're traveling to get home. And it's the end of the video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.